So, in one sense, when we go into the military, we take the oath and we go and fight and endanger ourselves to protect our Constitution. At the same time, our Constitution is being eroded right here at home. Just this last week, 2 weeks ago, I guess, the National Defense Authorization Act. That act has in it. I'm always impressed that so many people know about it. That means we have a healthy society and the Internet is working. But that bill essentially eliminates posse comitatus. It's institutionalizing military law that the military can arrest an American citizen without charges and being denied an attorney and held indefinitely, even in a foreign prison. This is not good for us.
Tisha Cassida, who's running for Congress in Colorado's 3rd District. Tisha, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you for the opportunity, Kurt.
Now, the National Defense Authorization Act is something that a lot of Americans are unfamiliar with. It's under the radar, and the recent changes in the NDAA that are taking effect in 2012 bring this issue of detainment to our shores and to the American citizens. This is something that's a big concern for you in your campaign, and you guys have taken a serious lead in making sure that there are ways to fix this. Could you tell us a little bit about what the National Defense Authorization Act is and the measures that you're taking in Colorado?
Sure. The National Defense Authorization Act has been around for a while, but the most recent passage of it has some verbiage in there that could be very dangerous to our own American people. And the reason that it's dangerous is because of how vague the language is as far as what particular acts may be committed that then allow a citizen, American citizen, or someone committing these acts to be detained indefinitely without due process. And there is a little bit of verbiage that had changed that to attempt to protect American citizens. But the problem is that we have representatives at the federal level of government that are creating very extensive laws with, that should be, since they're thousands of pages, they should be fairly detailed as to what they're talking about. But when it comes to the actual potential crimes, it leaves it open for interpretation for those who are enforcing the law. And for people who are freedom fighters or liberty lovers or people who do actively speak out against the government, and rightly so because that's freedom of speech, it opens up a potential doorway for American citizens to be detained. And that has strong implications for all of us. But of course, in my district, we have a fairly conservative bunch that likes a fiscally conservative government and is speaking out against the representatives that have kind of sold the American people out. So my greatest concern is making sure that people understand the language of this bill and the dangers it has for us as American citizens, and then actually doing something about it.